I would have, I'd hoped that she might have picked up the phone, irrespective of whatever differences had evolved between herself and himself, between herself and the party or the leadership or its direction and policy formation and whatnot. But she could have said, listen, I'm going a different road than you on many issues. But I appreciate and I want to thank you for the help and assistance you gave to me in order to find myself in a position whereby I was a public representative. There wasn't, and I'd imagine in reflection she probably regrets that. I would hope she does. And in the meantime, there's been a lot of toing and froing and ding dong and so forth, and it doesn't help either side, to be quite honest. And as I said to you, I think if she had consulted on a wider basis, she might never arrive at that decision.
One of the things that she did say,
I wish her well. I've come out strongly, for example, in the manner in which it was done. I've repeated it here again. That to be fair to Avril, and she's a fine performer and a fine representative and very committed on many social and economic issues, and had a role within Fianna Fáil, and I had a future within Fianna Fáil, and had a role in bringing Fianna Fáil with it on many of those issues. And as I said to you, I think if she'd consulted more widely, that she might have had more support than she believed she had. But that being the case, no, I don't believe it is, of course, the optics are not spectacular. But you have to remember, we had just fought a by-election campaign as well, a very important one for us, where a lot of resources and energy and personnel had to be put in place, considering the low base we have at a representative level, at a Oireachtas level presently, to ensure that the people were engaged with on the issues for which we believe we can influence government, if not enter government. And we got a mandate in Carlow Kilkenny. It's a very similar constituency to many more constituencies throughout the country, and we would hope that that's a springboard for our organisation to improve from here on in.